एंड मे बी यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट दैट कि वो बंदा सो रहा था, उसको सोते सोते उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आ गया। Hey everyone, hope you all are doing awesome, amazing, fantastic and whatever you can say that. And basically in this particular video, I'm going to tell you about the 4 state of mind that is actually, I feel it's super important to know about that, and if it is possible then go to all the state, because I feel that all are really super important. So I was just watching one of the video of Mind Valley content, or you can say that video, and I just get to know about that alter state of our mind, or thinking beyond out of the box, whatever you can say that. And from there I just get to know about the 4 state of mind, and I'm gonna explain each and every one in a brief, not a too much brief, but yeah, definitely it's going to be somehow brief that you can understand and you can correlate all those things to your life as well. So let me tell you all the 4 states first of all. So number 1 is beta state, and the second one is that alpha state of mind, third one is that theta state of mind, and the last one is that delta state of mind. Now let me tell you, the very first one is that, what is that? Beta state of mind. See, in beta state of mind, we can say that while we are doing a lot of work, maybe just we can say that while we are in waking stage, maybe we are studying, maybe we are traveling anywhere, maybe we are basically in a waking stage and we are doing our normal thing that we do every day, right? That's what the beta state of mind. And our beta state of mind, the brain waves, if we do EEG, that is related to our brain, and which gives a waves that is going around our mind, that is around 11 to 12 cycle per second. I mean, there are more waves inside because we have a lot more thoughts going on our mind, and that's what our waves are more, right? And at the same time, if we talk about the second one, that is the alpha state of mind. And alpha state of mind is supremely important to do anything and remember anything. And while probably you just wanted to ask that when we are in alpha state of mind, the answer is while we are doing meditation, sometime while we are talking to some people, while we are reading book. So depend of the person to person that which state, I mean what they are doing and how they are feeling in that state. I mean, in our alpha state of mind, brain waves reduce, it's become 8 to 10 cycle per second, and I mean we have a less thought of level in our mind. I mean we have a less thought in our mind that's going on, and we're concentrating somewhere, maybe in our breathe, maybe on some of the thoughts or anything that we are focusing over there. That's why we have a less brain waves over there. Now let's talk about, I feel the most important thing as well, the theta state of mind. And you know what, this is you have heard from somewhere like there are a lot of people who are in their dream and they have got their answers of their question. Maybe you have heard about that कि वो बंदा सो रहा था, उसको सोते सोते उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आ गया, या उसको मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें हमने सुना होगा, राइट? That people have accessed their theta state of mind. They know how to access the theta state of mind. Maybe they don't know as well, I mean consciously and subconsciously, while that person is in that state, they're able to access all those things from theta state. Basically in theta state, we're able to like be in a dream state. I mean while we are in a dream state, the brain waves are less, and it is around 6 to 8 or maybe 6 to 7 brainwave cycle per second, and that is less. And now if I talk about the last one, that is the delta state of mind, and it is the superior state of mind that we can say that, because at that state we are in a sleep, or I can say that basically deep sleep. That point of time there are basically 4 cycle per second brain waves are going on, I mean which is very less. And you heard about that, ऐसे बहुत सारे भी लोग थे जिनको सोते सोते भी, सपने में बोलो या सोते सोते जब वो डीप स्लीप में थे, उनको उसका आंसर आ गया था. I mean, if you heard about the Ramanujan, right, who's the first person from India who just discovered the infinity. Like उनको क्या था ना कि वो सोते थे, उनको सपना में क्या होता था कि वो जो मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशंस होते थे उनको उसका सॉल्यूशन मिल जाता था, right? And that's how, I mean, they are able to access that state of mind, and that's how he did incredible. Even all the people who have access all those state, who did incredible work actually. And this is supremely important. Either you are a student or you are a business person or you are whatever, I don't know, whatever you are, and whoever person is watching this particular video, this is supremely important to know your state of mind and then act accordingly, so that it's going to be beneficial to you and you will be able to access your state of mind. But I don't tell, even I'm not able to say in this particular video how we can access, but let me tell you some of that. The very first one is that while we have to be in alpha state of mind, then we can do meditation, and in meditation when we go deep and deep and deep, then we are in that uttermost level of alpha state of mind. And for as I talk about dream, then like while we're doing a practice, and there are a lot of things that we can do that jump into the theta state of mind. At the same time, when we do some of the practices, there are some of the practices which you enroll for the Mind Valley, one of the course that is related to altered state of mind by Vishen Lakhani. I'll be able to know all that state. That's what I feel. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value, and if you got the value, then please do share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.